I'm cutting a project on regular paper, continuing setting my materials. I'm going into all materials and selecting copy paper because this is just printer paper from my printer. You can see it's telling me to go, so here we go. I put my paper in. Hold on, let me do this. Okay, paper is in, even though you can't see because it's not focused. Come on, you can do this. There we go. I'm going to hit the button, and it starts to cut eventually. I don't know what's happening. It says it's cutting. It looks like it's cutting. But when I pull it out, the paper is uncut completely. And I'm just going to let this run, because I feel like I'm losing my mind. And you can see, you know, the blade is in, it's locked. You know, I know how to do this, it's just not working. You know, the cut mechanism is raising and lowering. Now my cut is done. I eject it, and I don't know if you can see there's no cuts. I'm going to do this without stopping my camera so that you can see what I'm talking about. Hold on. Sorry, I'm sure it's out of focus, but I want you to see that I'm not messing around here. I pull it off, and right here, still curled from taking it off from that badly, this paper has not been touched. So yeah, I'm still having issues. Thank you, and sorry this is such a long video.